So what are the best penny stocks to buy on August 27th, 2024? Well, number one recommendation is VOX International. Stock symbol VOXX. It is up today 65% or $1.87, trading at $4.72. Since this morning, it already traded 82 million shares. Market cap for the company is roughly $200 million. So, I'm not sure what this company does, but the main thing is that it's been trading 6 months ago at $9 a share. Then it pretty much collapsed all the way to like $1.50. And since pretty much the beginning of August, it was trying to go back up. And the trend was very kind of weak. And the main thing, there was no trading volume for that stock. So the fact that it's trading 82 million shares kind of tells you that some news arrived on that stock that are very positive and very promising, I guess, for the future of this company. And suddenly the stock is producing a huge jump of 65%. But the main thing is it attracts a lot of attention from Wall Street, and a lot of buyers apparently are swarming in and trying to get a piece of it. So take a look at that stock, take a look at the news that are driving that stock, and maybe put some cash into it, because it looks like, even though if you get it at $4.72 and it, let's say, goes to its previous levels of $9, I mean, you could make 100% on that VOX stock. So think about it. But the main thing is VOX International, stock symbol VOXX, only $4.72 a share. Next one is Trinity Biotech, stock symbol TRIB. It is up 47% or 96 cents, trading at $3. Since this morning, it already traded 37 million shares. Market cap for the company is roughly $40 million. So this is a typical pharmaceutical penny stock. And as I said before, there's around 700 or 800 of them. And the story is always kind of the same. It's a sleeper stock. Nobody's really trading it. Nobody really is paying attention to this thing until they produce some positive results for the clinical trials, where they could actually prove that the medication they were trying to develop actually works. So if I were you, I would take a look at that stock and see what's going on there, because it looks like some powerful news hit that stock, something from the category of clinical trials, or maybe getting approval for one of the medications. But the main thing is that it's building a very bullish trend, and there's a chance it could actually break out of its resistance of $3 and go much further. So, but it's up to you to make this decision. You just have to check what news are actually generating this movement of the stock. So, Trinity Biotech, stock symbol TRIB, only $2.95 a share. Next one is Ensys Biosciences, stock symbol ENSC. So the stock is up 44% or 20 cents, trading at 63 cents a share. Since this morning, it already traded 75 million shares. Market cap for the company is roughly $10 million. So as soon as you see Biosciences in the name of the company, most likely it's a pharmaceutical stock, just like the one we talked before. So same story here. You have a stock that's used to trade around $1, then they didn't produce any kind of anything positive. in terms of news, so the stock pretty much collapsed to like 30 cents. However, some kind of news were, you know, generated just now, and suddenly the stock is attracting 75 million shares and producing a huge jump of 44%. So if I were you, I would definitely take a look at that stock, because if the news again are interesting and promising for the future profits and revenue of the company, then it is you know, it is an opportunity to make some money. So take a look. NSYS Biosciences, stock symbol ENSC, only 63 cents a share. Next one is Light the Box Holdings, stock symbol LITB. So the stock is up 35% or 16 cents, trading at 60 cents a share. Since this morning, it already traded 820,000 shares only. So market cap of the company though is almost $100 million. So it's interesting because it looks like the stock is trading under the radar more or less, because it's producing 35% in gains, and nobody's trading it. Less than 1 million shares were traded. So but I would check out the stock just because of the name of the company. It's Light in the Box Holdings. So kind of strange name, Light in the Box, all one word. But you know, take a look, see what's going on there, why there's a jump, because it looks like the stock is building a pretty bullish trend since August 10th, when it went from like 40 cents and now it's already 60 cents. I mean, it already gained 50%, but it used to trade almost at $1. So even if you get it 60 cents and it goes to $1, it's still 80% return on that stock. So take a look and see what's going on there, and maybe if it's interesting enough, put some money into it. So next one is Tantec Holdings, stock symbol TANH. It is up today 20% or 3 cents, trading only at 19 cents a share. Since this morning, it actually traded already 125 million shares. Market cap for the company is only $3 million. So it looks like some kind of technology stock, but it used to trade around $1 back in June, and then it collapsed to like all the way to 10 cents. Again, almost no trading volume, nobody's interested, nobody's paying attention, so the stock collapses. However, some kind of news arrived today, and suddenly the stock is producing 125 million shares in trading volume. So there's huge interest from the market, and a very modest gain of 20%, which is also, I mean, pretty high for the regular stocks. So if I were you, I would definitely take a look at that stock and see what's going on there. So Tantec Holdings, stock symbol TANH, only 19 cents a share. Next one is Momentus. I spoke about the stock yesterday. Stock symbol MNTS. It is up today 17% or 19 cents, trading at $1.25. Since this morning, it already traded 21 million shares. Market cap for the company is roughly $30 million. So the stock was in my news reports actually already for maybe a couple of days. And the reason is that it's been jumping like crazy. So if you want to find out other great penny stocks to buy, go to this website, PNNY.APP, and download my app called Penny Gems. It has 2,000 penny stocks, with advice what to buy and what to sell. Thank you for your time and good luck trading. Bye bye now.